morning, everybody. This is Keybridge Hobby Network. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Kyosho Mini Z 4x4. Now, while I was at home during the state lockdown, I've been looking at this for quite some time, and it wasn't available anywhere. It was back ordered. Couldn't find it anywhere. I did find it at one place. I think it was eBay, but you know, they wanted $50 all the way up to $100 over MSRP. The retail of this thing is $199 is the retail price. But a couple of weeks ago, I went into my local hobby store and I found it. They happened to have one, so I had to have it. In here, so here we go. We're gonna unbox it real quick, take a look. So here we go, everybody. The Kyosho Mini Z 4x4, and it's got the Toyota body. It's got the Toyota 4Runner body on it. Pop it open. Got this thing open. You can see it. It's like a box, so I'm gonna keep the box for storage purposes. So this is really good to have indoors, especially when the weather's bad. You got some gears here. Let's see. So some gears. I'm sure you guys can see that. We got the controller. By the way, it takes AAA batteries. The controller takes 4 AAA batteries. And the vehicle also takes 4 AAA batteries. So I went ahead and picked up some rechargeable ones from the hobby store. So there you have it. This is the controller. Looks like you got your throttle trim over here, steering trim, the X potential for the steering. And you got it. Channel 4 here. You can change the dial for the channel 4. I'm not sure what that's about. Must be an accessory or something. You get your on and off switch over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some batteries on here since I already charged mine like a week ago. This is what I have. It's a Kyosho brand AAA battery, rechargeable, 1.2 volt. Looks like a 800 milliamp. So let's put that on. Just make sure it works. Switch on. It works. So I put that aside for now. So we got our basic instructions. And now, let's try to get this guy out. I want to remove it without messing up the box. It looks like I've got to take it out from the top. There we go. Looks like you got to get these screws out. So this 124 scale Mini Z right here is it's very scaled compared to the 110 scale. It's just like basically a 124 version of the big ones. 110 scale, the suspension geometry is the same, suspension travel is the same. The articulation in this thing is unbelievable. Just look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Get a better look. Get a better look. Looks like you just got basic coil shocks, just spring. That body is very scale. You got the side mirrors right there, and you got the wipers. You got the Toyota badge right there. I'm sure you guys can see that. So let's see how to figure out how to take the body off. Put the batteries in. So I think on off switch is right there. I guess you just pull these. You pull these in. So this is the chassis. These right here must be for either programming or accessories. There's your antenna right there. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in. Try to power this thing on and see what happens. Control on first. And then this thing, turn it on right here. There we go. So put that on. Let's see what the channel is for. I don't know what that is. There we go. So let's put the body back on real quick. So you kind of say putting the body on is a lot easier than taking it off. Same process. Pull the springs, each end of the spring towards the chassis, and once the body pulse goes through, just release it. Make sure it's lined up. Yeah, you can see that. Alright, let's switch the cameras real quick. It'll go down. articulation in there. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not sure you guys get a better view there. That's awesome. Look at that. Back to side. Wow, it was awesome. Even get the grid lines on the body. I'm sorry, the grid lines in the back window. So here we go. Let's try. Let me show you guys the back. Oh, I just noticed even got the wiper right there for the back window. That's neat. So here we go. Let's try some reversing thing. Body's plush. Sorry, the suspension is plush. Well, there you guys have it. The Kyosho Mini Z 4x4 124 scale Toyota 4Runner. I'll see you all next time. See ya.